Hi Candles, welcome to Candela Learnings. Myself Gayatri and I'm going to be a Max Super Tutor for today's session. I hope everyone is doing well and good and staying safe at your home. So in the previous session, we discussed one more method to find the mean of a grouped data. That is assumed mean method. It's a very important method. Don't forget to study it. Okay. And the formula to find the mean of a grouped data using assumed mean method is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. So here a is the assumed mean. Got it? I hope you understand the concept and the question that we discussed in the previous session. And we have one more method to discuss. You know what is that? Yes, it is step deviation method. So let's get started. Formula to find the mean of a grouped data using step deviation method is x bar is equal to a plus h into sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi. So here a is the assumed mean, you already know about it. Fi is a frequency and ui is equal to xi minus a divided by h, or else you can say that di by h, where di is equal to xi minus a. And h is a class width, that is you have to subtract lower class limit from upper class limit. That is, I'll write it here, upper class limit minus lower class limit, so that you will get the class width or the class size. So let me give an example to understand how to find the class width. That is, suppose you're having a class interval 20 to 30. So here upper class limit minus lower class limit will give you the class width. So here it will be equal to 30 minus 20 equal to 10. So 10 is the class size or the class width. For the point, you can take note. We will do a question. After that, you will be more clear. Okay? Yes. And here we go with the question. Following table shows the daily pocket allowances given to the children of a multi-story building. Find the mean pocket allowance. So here, which method is not mentioned? If it is not mentioned, you can use whatever method you like. Whether it can be direct method or assumed mean method or a step deviation. It's up to you. So if a method is mentioned, please find the answer using that method only. Okay. So here it is not mentioned, but we are using step deviation method to find the answer. So you are given with a question. Here also you have to redraw the table with xi's, di, ui and fiui. Got it? This method will make the calculations more simpler and the time consumption will be reduced here. Okay, that's it. So here we have the class interval. The first step we have to do is that we have to find the class marks. That is x's. It will be equal to 11 plus 13 by 2 equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. Okay, next one. 13 plus 15 by 2, which is equal to 28 by 2 equal to 14. Next one, 15 plus 17 divided by 2, which is equal to 32 by 2. You will be getting it as 16. Continuing in this manner, you will be getting the class marks as 18, 20, 22 and 24. Next, we have to consider or take a assumed mean. You can take either 18 or 20. So here I am taking the 20 as the assumed mean. So A will be equal to 20. Next, we have to find di. So this will be equal to 12 minus 20. You will be getting minus 8. Next, 14 minus 20. It will be equal to minus 6. 16 minus 20. It will be equal to minus 4. 18 minus 20. It will be equal to minus 2. 20 minus 20. It will be equal to 0. Then 22 minus 20. It will be equal to 2. And 24 minus 20. It will be equal to 4. So we got the di's. Next we have to find out ui's. So di divided by class size will give you ui. So this will be equal to minus 8 by, here the class size is 13 minus 11, 2. 2 is a class size here. It will be equal to minus 4. Next, minus 6 by 2 equal to minus 3. Then minus 4 by 2 equal to minus 2. Continuing in this manner, you will get minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So we got the UIs. Next, we have to take the product between UIs and FIs. So 3 into minus 4. It is equal to minus 12. Next, 6 into minus 3, you will be getting it as minus 18. Next one, 9 into minus 2. 9 into minus 2, it will be equal to minus 18. 13 into minus 1, it will be equal to minus 13. 8 into 0, it's 0 itself. 5 into 1, it's 5 itself. 4 into 2, equal to 8. So in the formula, you can see a term called as sigma Fi Ui. So that means you have to take the sum of all Fi Ui. So that will be equal to negative 48. And we need to take the sum of all frequencies as well. That will be equal to 48. Correct? We know the value of A, and we know H is equal, that is class size will be equal to 2 here. Now we can substitute these values in the formula, and that will be equal to x bar is equal to A plus H into sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi. So when you substitute the values, it will be equal to 20 plus H, we have it as 2 into sigma Fi Ui, we got it as minus 48 divided by 48. This will be equal to 20 plus 2 into minus 1, which is equal to 20 minus 2 equal to 18. That's it. So simple. We got the mean of the given data as 18. Got it? That's all. So I hope you understood this method as well. So we completed mean of a grouped data topic. So we studied 3 methods: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Okay. So in the upcoming sessions, we will study another new topic. So till then, take care and bye-bye.